Hey guys, this is the unboxing and review of MAONO AU-A03. Here are some features on the side of the box and there are some specs written on the back side of the box as well. I got this around 3100 rupees. You can check the current price from the link given in the description. This microphone has a heart-shaped cardioid bipolar pattern, so everything behind the mic will be less audible. I'll show you guys each of the components one by one after this. So this is the user manual, which usually we won't read. This is the greeting card and some info if you need any help. This is the wind muff, which will reduce the noise coming from the fan. This is the pop filter, which will reduce the popping sound of words like P and B while you are doing voiceovers. This is the shock mount. If you hit the microphone accidentally, it will reduce the sound of that impact to some extent. As you can see, my hands are shaking, so this shock mount is quite sturdy and it will hold the microphone properly. This is the table mount and the boom arm goes here. This kit also comes with a splitter in case if you want to use this microphone with your laptop. This is the XLR cable, XLR to 3.5mm jack. It is a 2.5 meter long cable. It is a high grade low noise microphone cable. This is the boom arm made with aluminum. It has a matte finish which gives the premium look. These are the Velcro strips with MAONO branding on it for cable management. Now the main part. This is the MAONO AU-A03 mic, which also comes with the matte finish, which gives it a premium feel. This is the time-lapse video of mounting the MAONO AU-A03 microphone. Up to this point, you were listening to the audio from the microphone itself with a little bit of editing. right now we are hearing the audio from regular headphones which cost around 400 to 500 rupees, and as you can see it is pretty noisy. So now I will compare it with the raw audio of MAONO AU-A03. So this is the raw audio from MAONO AU-A03 microphone. As you can see, it has completely removed the noise coming from the kitchen. It still has some wind noise, but you can remove it by little bit of editing. Let's apply some of the filters on both regular headphones and MAONO AU-A03 microphone and compare it. So you are hearing the edited audio of the regular headphones, and now I will switch over to the MAONO AU-A03. Now we are hearing the edited audio of the MAONO AU-A03 microphone. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this mic, and if you want to support this channel, please refer the link given in the description.